Hello, welcome to the Navigating the SAP SuccessFactors Admin View video. This demonstration is going to identify different areas of the LMS you see when logged in as an administrator. After watching this video, you will be able to navigate to the Learning Admin interface, expand and collapse the admin menu, and describe the various roles of the main functional areas of the admin interface. To get to the admin view, when logged into the system as a user, click the menu at the top of the screen and select Learning Admin. The menus you see on the left side of the screen will take you to main functional areas of the admin interface. These menus may vary depending on your admin role. Expanding these menus display all the choices available to you. You can expand or collapse all menus using the arrows in the navigation area. You can also expand your workspace by collapsing the menu. The same button can hide or show the menu. Clicking Recents will show the most recent records you have accessed as an LMS administrator. Click Menu to go back to the menu. The Manage User Learning menu group contains tools to manage a user's learning. The most common tools used by LMS administrators are Manage Assignments, which allows you to assign and remove training; the Add Learning History, financial or multiple, which allows you to record completions; and Edit Learning History, which allows you to edit any learning completions that were entered incorrectly. The Learning Activities menu group contains all of the entities you will access to support learning. The most common entities are items, classes, and curricula. Click on Items and you will be given an item search screen. Click the Search button and click on any item ID that appears. Notice that you are viewing an item, but the menu takes up much of the screen. Again, click the icon in the upper right above the item and next to the question mark icon to hide the menu. Click it again to toggle back to the view of the menu. This will be a useful icon when you want to view more of the workspace of an entity. The menu does not always need to be displayed. Click the Home link from the menu on the left to go back to the admin homepage. The Content menu is where you will create and manage online course content, as well as assessments, quizzes, and exams. The People menu allows you to manage user data, organizations, and instructors. The System Administration menu is typically only accessed by those administrators with super admin permissions. The References menu will display all the reference fields, those fields that provide values you can select throughout the LMS. The Reports menu takes you to the Reports screen where you can search for and run reports, view saved and scheduled reports, and more. The Preferences menu displays your time zone and language options. Throughout the admin interface, the question mark or Help link opens the online help system. Finally, you can click the drop-down next to your name and click Log Out to log out of the system. This concludes the Navigating the Admin menu video. You should now be able to navigate to the Learning Admin interface, expand and collapse the admin menus, and describe the various roles of the main functional areas of the admin interface.